If you're looking to start a career at TMC, fill out the job application form on our website. And when we schedule the interview, we hope that you'll come dressed basically ready to work.
We may want you to do like a little test part just to kind of see where your skills are at and also see how you work with us and collaborate with us.
We want someone that's going to fit in well with our team. That's someone who is creative and is passionate about what they do and is inspired by the challenge that comes with dealing with a variety of work.
As far as training goes, we kind of meet you where you're at. We do a fair bit of training through Loyalist College. We really try to maintain like a learning atmosphere within the shop here, and we really try to make everybody as best as they can be at their job.
If you like working with your hands, machining is great. You kind of use your head more than your body a lot of times.
I just like the idea of being able to take a piece of metal and you're starting with raw material and you turn the outside off and there's something already in that material. You just have to turn off the outside to find what's really inside.
It feels great to be working at a job where you can see at the end of the day, you see what you accomplished.